how to trailer a motorcycle, or more specifically, how to trailer a chopper motorcycle, and in this case, a Big Dog K9. Now, I've trailered a number of Big Dog K9s, and the thing that's unique about them is that they are a long bike. Yes, my bike is approximately 9 feet 2 inches or 3 inches long. So you have to keep this in mind when you're looking for a trailer. This is the U-Haul trailer that I usually rent. It is specifically for motorcycles, and it has that built-in wheel chuck extension. So that makes it, with my bike, that I have about, maybe 3 or 5 inches before the back gate. So it's really the perfect size, and something you want to keep in mind. Now, the only negative with this trailer, at least for some people, is that when you have a long bike and you put the gate down, the bike is not going to be able to pass the ridge of the gate getting on there. It's going to scrape on the bottom. So what you want to do, as you see here, is you want to have some wood with you. And what I do is like to build like a little staircase. I never ride the bike up, but I have somebody help me with it, and we just push it up. And then if you raise the back gate, like you see the wood that I have piled under it, you're going to be able to get it on. And if you do run into a problem, you can always have one additional piece of wood you put right under the front tire before you load it on the trailer. Again, that's the only negative I really see with these trailers. Personally, I use 5 belts to strap the bike down, and you can see 4 of them are right here at the front of the bike. 2 go forward, and 2 go, one on each side, go to each side of the bike. Then the 5th belt I put on the back wheel. Now, one thing you probably already noticed from this, anytime the belt meets the wheel or on the front, I use some materials, old cloth or something, so there's no chance of the belt rubbing against the metal. Here you can see I have some spongy material, high density foam, and I use that up on the front. Also, when I tie down the front of the bike, I do compress the forks just a little bit. You don't want to really put the gorilla moves on the forks and press them way down, because there's a good chance on a long haul you can blow a front fork seal. Just, if you're going on a long trip, and a lot of times, I've taken, I've trailered a K9 all the way from Wichita back to San Diego. So there's going to be some moving around there for sure, and there's going to be stops that you have to stop over and check your belts. Here's another thing: never leave the belts just hanging. Always tie off the end so nothing's flapping around that could hit the bike when you're riding. Here you can see my current 2 K9s that I have, a black one and a red one. Hey, appreciate you listening. I hope you learned something useful from this. Please give me a like or subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks again for watching.